I wash my hands carefully before cooking. I wash my hands carefully before cooking. I put on my favorite apron in the kitchen. I put on my favorite apron in the kitchen. I open the fridge to look for ingredients. I open the fridge to look for ingredients. I take the fresh meat and eggs out. I take the fresh meat and eggs out. I wash the vegetables in the kitchen sink. I wash the vegetables in the kitchen sink. I peel the potatoes with a small knife. I peel the potatoes with a small knife. I chop the onions on the wooden board. I chop the onions on the wooden board. I slice the red tomatoes into small pieces. I slice the red tomatoes into small pieces. I crack the eggs into a large bowl. I crack the eggs into a large bowl. I add some salt and pepper to the eggs. I add some salt and pepper to the eggs. I mix the ingredients together with a spoon. I mix the ingredients together with a spoon. I turn on the stove to heat the pan. I turn on the stove to heat the pan. I fry the eggs until they are golden. I fry the eggs until they are golden. I grill the chicken in the big oven. I grill the chicken in the big oven. I cook the rice for my family dinner. I cook the rice for my family dinner. I pour some water into a metal pot. I pour some water into a metal pot. I boil the water on the hot stove. I boil the water on the hot stove. I cook the pasta in the boiling water. I cook the pasta in the boiling water. I stir the soup slowly with a ladle. I stir the soup slowly with a ladle. I taste the food to check the flavor. I taste the food to check the flavor. I ladle the soup from the pot into a bowl. I ladle the soup from the pot into a bowl. I set the table with plates and spoons. I set the table with plates and spoons. I prepare a delicious breakfast for everyone. I prepare a delicious breakfast for everyone. I wipe the kitchen counter with a cloth. I wipe the kitchen counter with a cloth. I wash the dirty dishes in the sink. I wash the dirty dishes in the sink.